In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT in Figma with a ChatGPT plugin. Start by opening Figma and loading the file you want to work on. Next, open the Actions menu and select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and look for a ChatGPT plugin that fits your needs. Select the plugin and click Run. If it's not installed yet, install it first and then launch it. Once the plugin opens, sign in if required and complete any setup steps shown on the screen. After the plugin is ready, you'll see a chat interface inside Figma. Type your prompt into the chat box. You can ask for UI copy, button text, landing page content, design ideas, user flow suggestions, UX improvements, or brainstorming assistance. Click Send and wait for the AI to generate a response. Review the generated content and copy any text or suggestions you want to use in your design. You can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions or refining your prompts to get more accurate results. Many ChatGPT plugins also allow you to generate multiple variations, making it easier to explore different design and content options without leaving Figma. And that's it! You've successfully set up and used a ChatGPT plugin inside Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.